Hi there. Today we're going to talk about a strategy that we use for multi-digit long division called partial quotients. Students solve the equations by subtracting multiples until they get down to 0 or as close to 0 as possible. Let's get started. Suppose we want to solve an equation 226 divided by 2. First, we're going to put it into our new form. We're going to do 2 goes into 226. We're going to pull this guy all the way down. So the first thing we have to do is think about how many groups of 2 will fit into 226. We want to use numbers that are easy to work with. So we try to use friendly numbers like 10 or 100. So with this number, we know that at least 100 groups of 2 will fit into 226. So let's start with that. We're going to write 2 times 100 equals 200. We know that 2 can go into 226 100 times. We're going to subtract that, which gives us 26. Next, we need to look at how many times 2 could go into 26. We're still going to use those easy numbers, so we know that 2 can go into 26 10 times, which would give us 20. Now we subtract that again. 26 minus 20 equals 6. Now, how many more groups of 2 can we make from 6? We know that we can make 3, so we're going to do 2 times 3, which is 6, and subtract that, which is 0. Now to the fun part. We're going to look at these numbers over here. How many times 2 went to each of those numbers, and we're going to add them. So we're going to take 100 plus 10 plus 3 equals 113. 226 divided by 2 is 113. This is the strategy called partial quotients. Thanks for watching.